Morning. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing well myself, and well, welcome back to Wings Without Barriers. Today I'm just going to do some shopping, just because right now I'm actually just getting things set up for Jaru 7382, which is the aircraft I fly. As you see, what you hear, some of the avid tubers, as I like to call them, short for aviation YouTubers, they actually have the cockpit audio. Well, I need just one more thing just to get set up, well, before I start setting up, and then we'll be all good to go. So do you want to come along with me? Nope. Got the cord. Oh, got the cord. Now to head downtown. Don't you know that when you're trying to set up that shot, or that feeling, but to be more precise, that you just can't find the right GoPro mount? This is all I got right now. I know it'll be a lot more worse, but I just cannot get this damn thing on. So what did I want to talk about today? Well, I wanted to talk about sound, precisely how sound affects all on the spectrum. Imagine if sound was normal, but then suddenly it pops up, like just up very loud, just like you accidentally nudge your phone when you're listening to music and you just turn all the volume up. It's just like that. Take your earbuds out. It's like, no, oh shoot. So if this, or that's what pretty much happens to us, pretty much. It could be like a motorcycle, it could be jet, this sudden like kid crying or stuff like that. It just makes our head feel like we just want to explode. We don't really experience or ear pain, but we do have our reflex is either to cover our ears or to run away, like a normal, or as a fight or flight response. If we actually start acting like we have a trigger, just pretty much the best thing we can do is just isolate ourselves from the noise, isolate from the situation, or just try to expose it, but put it in little by little, but don't push it too far, because if you push it too far, we just gotta end up fighting. We are actually going to get out trigger, we gotta get upset, we gotta have our minds are gonna shut down, we gotta have a sensory overload, and we don't want that. All we want to do is just try to live normally, just with these kinds of issues. I might as well explain to you what it feels like to be triggered, or have these triggers combined to you. So basically, it could be any sorts. It could be feel like a sting in your mind, tingling, just basic, pretty much almost the same, pretty much same agitation in feelings in your, pretty much tingling your fingers. You get tunnel vision. It's pain, obviously in the ears when it doesn't feel like it. There's an actual pain. It's hard to explain. If the trigger, as I said and mentioned before, if the trigger does happen, it's best to isolate the person from the situation. If they actually have, or constantly triggered, you might see some people on the spectrum that actually have special earmuffs all the time, and even if they have these earmuffs off, they just constantly cover their ears. They're just like, they just don't want to hear the open world, which I can understand. It's hard, really, to do this sort of thing, like, or living with a person that's on the spectrum that actually has constant hearing issues. It's actually, I think my smoothie's ready to go. Oh, is that mine, Mario, or is it someone else's? Oh, that's someone else's order. Is that someone else's order?
Oh, you like it? You just hold your horse, man.
Gracias. Ciao. Now that's literally it's over. I got my smoothie. Just stop. Now I'm just gonna head downtown and just see what's up. Just cruise around. Just pretty much just vibe, pretty much. And hopefully this weekend, go fly to Hoton, and I hope I'll bring you along the way. Just need to, that part just gets the final part I need to get the copy or recording done. So pretty much, hopefully I go to the hangar this afternoon, have a test, enjoy Australia Day tomorrow, and then we're all good. Now, so, well, let's just start vibing, I guess. Oh yeah, by the way, did I forget to mention how beautiful today is? Absolutely beautiful, warm day. That's what I need.
What? No!
So I might as well explain to you, well, what my personal triggers are. As well, this channel is about me trying to explain to you. So I might as well say what is going on, or how it actually upsets me. It upsets me, it causes me to sensory overload when I'm usually tired. That's when I'm usually at my lowest. That's when my tolerance is lowest. Motorcycles can upset me. Yelling can upset me, especially with my abuse as a kid. So that's an extra sensitive issue. Double whammy, pretty much. Pretty much any sudden high-pitched noise could upset me. And I do, but like I said, I took intense therapy when I was younger to combat this. It has worked, and this is my advice to you parents who are watching this video and who are actually wanting, or who are just going, oh my god, Hayden, my child has got autism. It's not really that bad. It's not life-threatening. It just means that they can potentially live a normal life, but it's more that it takes time to develop, and extra patience, and knowing what triggers them and what upsets them. If they actually start to trigger them, try to soothe them, try to calm them down. If they don't understand it, or just try to explain it in their language. Like I said before, I have the potential to be or have both feet in the neurotypical sector and the neurodiverse sector, I can have the potential to put these two together, try to link them together. If, well, like I said, when they're actually upset, remove them from the situation. I can't stress this enough. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today. Pretty much, so thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.